Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be doing question 3 of the 2017 Maclaurin Olympiad. Now this is a really interesting question, but before we get into it I want a quick message to my new subscribers. Now if you want to skip this message, I'll have a timestamp in the description below where you can skip it. But anyway, to my new subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing, because I've gotten 11 new subscribers in the last 15 hours, which to me is like ridiculous, because now I've got 33 subscribers, which is just insane, you know. And as well as that, my latest video, the results day video, I've got, well, currently it's at 292 views, which is the best performing video on my channel. And I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who subscribed and liked the video. Also, as I said, this channel is mostly going to be on maths, computers and linguistics. Now, the maths videos are going to be similar to the one I'm about to do. The computer videos are going to be on mostly programming, and linguistic videos, although I haven't done any linguistic videos yet. I've got two videos planned, one for Japanese and one for Tokikona. Now, if you are interested in this, then stay subscribed, and also, you know, if you're not subscribed yet, then subscribe. Right, so I'm going to get into the question now. Right, so the question states, how many solutions are there to this equation where m and n are integers, and the equation is just m to the 4 plus 8n squared plus 425 equals n to the 4 plus 42m squared. Right, so first thing, let's just rewrite the equation and make it a bit bigger. Now, so what can we do? Well, the first thing we can do is we can group the like terms. So if we group all the m's on one side and all the n's on the other, then we get this. And now if you look at this, you can see you can complete the square on both sides, which will give you m squared minus 21 all squared, and which is equal to n squared minus 4 all squared. Now with this, you can probably see where I'm going with this already, but if you square root both sides, then you get this, which is m squared minus 21 equals plus or minus open bracket n squared minus 4 close bracket. Now you can obviously have n as the subject in this, or m as the subject in this, but I'm going for m in this case. It doesn't matter, you'll still get the same solutions, and the method is exactly the same. Right, but what's important about this is that this plus or minus symbol, right, so you've got, this is two equations, you've got the positive version of this and the negative version of this, which creates two cases for this problem. So if we take case 1, where you use positive, then, well, as you can see, there's no difference, you just remove the brackets. So this is what you get m squared minus 21 equals n squared minus 4. Now you can probably already see what I'm going to do here. If I group the unknowns to one side and the integers to one side, then I would get m squared minus n squared equals 21 minus 4. Now if I were to, this is just a difference of two squares, and then if this is just equal to 17, meaning you can factorise this like the difference of two squares and then set it to 17. Now with this, if you think about 17 and what 17 is, well, 17's a prime number, right? So there's only two possible factors. There's only 1 and 17. Well, there's also negative 1 and negative 17, meaning there's 4 possible solutions to this. Because if you look at this, either this is 1 and then this would be 17, or this is 17 and then this would be 1. You'd have the same for negative 1, negative 17, negative 17, negative 1. So if you, this is just in words, and it says m minus n and m plus n are equal to 1 and 17, or minus 1 minus 17. So there's 4 solutions, and if you're thinking, well, how do I get 8 and 9 to the solutions? We were just talking about 1 and 17. Well, because there's 2 unknowns in here, you have to think of 2 numbers which would add to make 17 and subtract to make 1. So if you think about this, 9 plus 8 equals 17, and 9 subtract 8 is 1, but also 8 subtract 9 is minus 1, meaning that's 3 of the solutions, but obviously you can put negatives in to rearrange it how you like, so that would get you the minus 17 if you needed it. So, okay, that's the first case, so you've got 4 solutions already. Let's have a look at the second case. Well, in the second case, we're taking the negative value, we're taking the negative case, okay? So we get almost the exact same thing, apart from now this is negative. So if we times this through by minus 1 and collect like terms, then this is what we get. We get m squared plus n squared equals 21 plus 4. So you can simplify that, or you can write this in the form of n squared plus n squared equals 5 squared. So I know you're probably thinking, okay, I know where you're going with this, because then now a square is non-negative. So this equation is true, meaning there's 12 solutions to this. And if you work through the solutions just intuitively, you can see that they work. And you can also check it on a calculator or whatever you think's best. Now, we had 4 solutions already, and now we have another 12. So we add those together, we get 16 solutions. Now, for this question, unfortunately, there isn't, it's not multiple choice, meaning I can't really circle anything at the end, which I'd normally do, but that's fine. But that's the whole question, so the 16 solutions. Right, so thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please let me know, like and subscribe. Also, if you have any specific video ideas or any questions you want me to do in future videos, or any questions at all, just let me know in the comments. Right, so that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.